Guys, welcome back to another video. Weather update. Weather update. Clear skies.
You got a bit more meat there you can cut out.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut.
Oh. Can't wait until we get on the lathe.
Not even a fucking word for it. Not even a word for it.
Oh.
Chewy, just see what he said. Chewy, what do you reckon? Oh, no, what do you reckon? No, just what do you reckon? Do you reckon it's good?
Yeah, alright, it's alright.
Yeah, that's all you need to know.
So you need to tell them pick Paul.
It's a snowman.
Look at this one, guys.
Snowman,
Pirate. Oh. Is he a boxer, Louis?
he's a boxer too.
Oh, what are you doing right now, Chew?
Question, what is Chewy doing?
Good.
I'll begin. What is? I'll make sure the filming's right.
175.
Oh, that's 75. I'm gonna go get some shoes on, guys. I'll be right back.
It's roughly 75. I reckon right there. We'll do it.
This, but
Put a spanner in there of some description. Let me get that in there.
oh. Good deal. Oh,
Chewy.
oh, took the.
Chewy. Quick.
Oh!
On camera?
No, I wasn't on camera.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That would have been viral. Going viral. Chewy.
Or what a...
That back off.
Shit. Look how big the thing is. Holy.
No.
It's massive on the left.
That's what Jack said last time. He said that's massive.
Yeah, like guys, on video it doesn't look that big, but it's actually huge. This is my hand compared to it. That's huge.
We're not dealing with no amateur.
Nah. We're doing the real stuff here, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
85.
Oh, 85 centimeters or millimeters? Millimeters. Look at the color separation.
Let's go. It's like a big lolly.
Oh,
Like eating it.
like the gummy bears.
Yeah, big lolly.
Wait, we're gonna get Kentucky to comment next.
Oh yeah, we'll get him. Sure.
Kentucky,
Get him,
let's
shoot it.
Yeah. Oh,
I wouldn't get him shoot it. I'm just joking. Just
no
joking.
way. Oh, you guys, it's a joke.
Somewhere there, I reckon.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, the wood thing's coming off.
How did you get this kid on my phone? Sorry.
What?
This.
Oh, right there. Your video's on. Right, let's get a chance started. You can start out here. It's crazy. What do it now? I'm going to start again, so let's get it. Oh. The lathe.
Snowman.
Yeah, that's good. Tutta la porta su una mia sabra, una mia sabra. Rude gets I could. Oh.
Oh, so gentle, that's so lentil.